He's eating. He's eating it.
There's a nut.
Where is he now?
Right there.
I'm talking about the one eating the lollipop.
Right there.
I know I saw his name. Dang. Hi, little squirrel. Oh, he's eating it. He's eating it.
Mom, this is what you should get.
Ew. Ew. Disgusting.
Mom, you should get this up close. Hurry.
Good Lord.
The diaper.
Ew.
Hey, little guy.
Hey.
Hey, little guy, get out of there. Oh, no, is he eating the diaper?
Yeah. Look at the other one, just chilling.
He's sitting there eating a lollipop.
At
Ew.
least we know they definitely have different.
Where are the chipmunks?
different tastes. Diaper and
Alvin,
lollipop.
Simon, Theodore.
Watch out! 'Cause here we go. It's in the morning. It's in his eye. Come back. 'Cause here we go. Entertainment, duh.
Mom, did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Let me see that.
Where are the chipmunks? Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, he smiled at me.
He smiled at
He
you.
smiled at me, and I got it on tape too.
There, it's just on.
Oh, look, he's coming here. He's eating the poop. Or is that a